Hey, my name is Eric Worrell, and in this video I'm going to show you how to sign up to be a driver for DoorDash. I'm going to take you through all the steps. I'll let you know ahead of time that I do have videos on what it looks like on your first day driving with DoorDash, and also how to compare which service pays the best when it comes to food delivery. All of that will be at the end of this video, but quickly I'm going to take you through what the sign up process looks like here, including what kind of background check information that DoorDash is going to be looking for. So as we get started here, you can see that you're first going to set up and get started with your email. Next, you'll be putting in your phone number and zip. And I had this kind of moving along pretty quick because it's kind of boring going through this kind of information. But you'll set up with your first, middle name, last name. And then as you continue into the next section, we're going to talk about the background check. You're going to put what type of vehicle you have. I got some disclosure information here. You can pause the video if you want to read about that, but this is probably what you're more interested in. So taking a look at the background check here, this is provided by a company called Checker. They're going to give you your report information. So these are your identifying information. That's going to be your name, date of birth, and social security number is how they're going to find records on you. Those are the three main identifiers. They're going to also do a social security number trace, a sex offender search, a global watch list search, and a national search. The global watch list search is sometimes referred to as a terrorist watch list search, and the national search is talking about criminal records. I'm going to put exactly what criminal records they're looking for on the screen right now, so if you want to pause the video and see if there's anything you're worried about, if it'll show up there. It's not a blanket criminal policy. It has to do with specific criminal policies that would make you unfit to be a driver with DoorDash. So as we move forward in the video here, we're going to take a look at what it looks like after you set up for your background check. The next thing they're going to do is you're going to have an activation kit. You have the choice of whether you want it shipped to you or go pick it up. I said ship it to me. I don't want to have to go anywhere. And then you tell them where you want to ship it to. And then the next thing you're going to do is fill out a W-9 form. I've kind of blocked off the W-9 information, but this is going to be done through DocuSign. You do need to allow them to be able to access your computer, and then just click that you agree to an electronic signature, and then you're all set to go. On this final page here, they have a video that's going to show you an introduction into dashing. The video is about 3-4 years old, and some of the things are outdated. What I would suggest is checking out the video to the right on my first day with DoorDash, so you can see what it looks like, how the app operates, and how everything works. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to catching you in the next video here.